Hello, Ajahn, Adinand, and my friend. Today we are going to present insight, tips, and secrets for job interviews. We us talk to two people from two different companies in the field of engineering. Before watching the interviews, let me introduce my team. One,
My name is Chatchaisuriya.
two,
2. My name is Kanukpan Saeteaw.
and three,
My name is Matus Sukpanit.
and four,
My name is Matus Thongbunnoom.
and me, Subsombat. Next, Matus Thongbunnoom and Chatchaisuriya will take you to the first companies.
Okay, hi Thirapat. Now we are going to talk to Miss Sutharot Ali Thirapat or Pi Khwan at Toyota Boshoku Asia Company.
Pikwan is an engineering. She's been working here for a long time. I am sure she has many things to share with us.
Okay, she is with us now. Let's talk to her. Good afternoon, Pi Khwan. How are you today?
Good afternoon. I'm good. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, let's start question number 1. What do you think about your job?
I think my job is challenging and sometimes it's difficult to me because I'm graduate from chemical engineering, but sometimes I should be looking for the arc welding. It's like mechanical or electrical engineering. It but it's challenging and to looking to learn knowledge and the trend to me about the new knowledge and arc welding like that.
Okay, question number 2. How did you find your current job?
I find the current job from the website at the job DB.
Question number 3. What are the questions you were asked in the job interview and how did you respond to those questions?
They asked me about the previously job and from my previous job is the production engineer and the currently job is the QA engineer. So they asked me about how can apply from the production job to the QA job, and okay, I respond and answer to them about sometimes they have to the looking for the production and produce about the product, so they accept me to the company.
How did you prepare for the job application?
For my job application, I find the weak point and strong point, and so we have to put the my strong point to the job application and look some hobby. It you you should show your hobby is make them confident to your experience and hobby. And oh, and for the other, you should make sure that your job application is correct before apply. Okay.
How is English important to your job?
Uh, from the English is very important for my job because sometimes we have to audit at the overseas and contact to the sub coordinate in Vietnam, Philippines, Malaysia, like that. So the English is very important to connect with them.
Thank you, Vet. I am Kanokpan. I'm going to talk to Mr. Wasin Paibun. Mr. Wasin is an engineering electrical value chain project at PTT Public Company Limited.
Piyok is engineer. He is working here for a long time. I'm sure he has many things to share with us.
Okay, he is with us now. Good afternoon, Mr. Wasin, how are you today?
Good afternoon to I'm great and you?
Okay, let's start. Question 1.
Sure.
What do you think about your job?
My job is renewable energy engineer. My role need to change from coal or crude oil to environmentally friendly fuel, such as solar farm, wind farm, something like that. I think climate change is real. It is happening right now, and it's the most urgent threat our entire species. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Question 2. How did you find your current job?
My company is an oil and gas company. Back in 2 years ago, my company planned to pioneer an renewable energy business and digital innovation business. I was contacted from human resources to LinkedIn and was interviewed as energy engineering. My duty of find new business for my company.
Okay. Question 3. What are the questions you were asked in the job interview? How did you respond to those questions?
Most of the questions are about performance from my job, such as technical knowledge, skill, and work experience, which I explain the principle of project cost analysis or feasibility project. And I'm sharing 5 year to work experience in renewable energy industry.
Okay, question 4. How did you prepare for a job application?
I'm prepared for this interview by research company history, and the job description provided to me. I am confident in my candidate for the role and look forward to show my skill set for my company.
Okay, and question 5. How did English important to your job?
I think English is very important for my job because they regularly communicate with international company, both directly and indirectly, such as phone call, sending email, something like that. And in additional, is know that common language due to international communicate. Finally, in my opinion, if you want to succeed in your job, you need to have the skill and expert to use English language correctly and fluently to make communicate and work efficiently. Thank you.
Thank you, Maswin and Kanopon from Engineering Budapest University. Students, we have learned the history and organization culture of two companies, Pikwan from Toyota and Mr. Watsins from PTD, have told us about the job application process and question and answer from their job interviews. And of course, English language is very important for their jobs. This is the end of our people in the field project. See you next time. Thank you.